Welcome to Serious Cryptocurrency, from beginner to pro. I am one of the trainers here at FraudStamp. FraudStamp provides a range of resources to help educate the investor in safeguarding his financial assets. From courses to reports, from our own discussion forum to regular fraud alerts, we have even written a book. Have you heard the phrase, "A little knowledge is a dangerous thing"? This phrase is particularly relevant in the world of cryptocurrency. If you are serious about participating in the cryptocurrency market, it's no good just knowing the basics. That's why this course is different. Of course, we teach you the basics, but we also do 4 things most other courses don't even consider. 1. We look at where the professional investors are putting their money. 2. We examine some of the emerging areas which we believe will lead to oversized returns. 3. We tell you where to look for these opportunities. And 4. Most importantly, we show you how to manage your risks in this volatile market. Have you seen one cryptocurrency course that takes risk seriously? The answer is a resounding no. The cryptocurrency market is the Wild West of investing. Understanding the risks are essential before even dipping your toes into the shark-infested waters. We provide our own checklist to ensure you both understand your own risk tolerance and also the specific investment you are reviewing. This course explains complicated concepts simply and provides you with the knowledge to compete with the professional and become a shark rather than bait. As well as our online course, you will also be provided with a comprehensive 120-page cryptocurrency guide which accompanies the course, and our recently launched book, All You Need to Know About Cryptocurrency. Don't follow the other sheep into the crypto market, take your investing seriously. I look forward to seeing you on our course and thank you for your time.